This is in 2016. Moon mission. What happens to moon mission? Well, of course, we lose fumes. We lose our fuel. We lose our FOMO. Halving happens, and we had a nice sell-off, which is expected. You know, you must have retracements. You must. This one came down to about 30%. This is what people are predicting for Bitcoin to potentially retrace back down to, is roughly around 30%. I want to say about 2 months after the halving, we started the bull run. Nice little retracement of about 18%. And it just went sideways. It was very boring for about 3 months. And then it started going up, retracement, and then moon mission. It did a retracement finally. This retracement was approximately 1 month prior to the halving, when we finally had a retracement. And instead of continuing going down, it shot up again and then made a higher low. It's still a lower high compared to this one. And then now it's doing this number. What's going to happen? Well, if we've seen anything from the past, more than likely sideways action, maybe a retracement. In December of 2024, Bitcoin should be at roughly 100K. That's what they're saying. What I'm thinking is just ups and downs, you know, just being boring, just very boring. And for, you know, a few weeks, maybe 2 months. So it's something like this. And then we start going and then doing this number. So about a month to 2 months of boringness. Now, could I be completely wrong? Yes, 100%. Then why did I spend all this time doing this? Because this is just a projection. Like, nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. We can only react to the price action. That's all we can do. One thing that we've learned from history is that it does take some time before we have this massive run up for Bitcoin. And first, we have to kind of understand this first. Bitcoin runs up, and then people take their profit from Bitcoin, and then that's when the alts just take off. And that's why in 2025, that's when alt season is going to be 2025. Right now in 2024, we need to accumulate. Yes, you know, coins are doing, you know, 50%, 80%, not all of them, but some of them, 50%, 80%. Some are doing really, really well. And we have some narratives that are doing very, very well. This is nothing. This is absolutely nothing compared to what you're going to see in 2025. So this is why it's very important to, you know, start accumulating. And that's what I've been showing the group. I've been showing the group right now is just accumulate. Don't have stop losses. Just be buying these tokens. Buy them when they do that retrace. If you're in a coin right now and it's retraced 20, 30%, good. Don't panic. This is the plan. You know, buy some more. You know, right? That's what we're doing. We're accumulating. Now, if let's say you get a good 80% and you want to sell off, go ahead, sell it. Sell it and then do that the same thing to another project, or buy back in on a retrace. I see here, Jono says, don't forget the super cycle, Joe. Yes. So if you hear people talking about the super cycle, be careful, guys. Could it happen? Sure. Sure. Of course it could. People are saying that, you know, this all-time high prior to the halving is due to the ETFs. And we could possibly shorten our sideways action after the halving before it starts going up. Could that happen? 100%. Just knowing all this, you know, to where you're not surprised if it does happen. If it happens, great. Absolutely great. In my opinion, we just treat it level by level. Of course, Bitcoin is going to be going up. At the same time, altcoins are going to be going up. So they're both going to be going up at the same time. Now, when Bitcoin reaches all-time high and then it starts selling off, and then Bitcoin dominance starts like just really coming down drastically, that just means that more people are buying the alts, and that's going to be in 2025. The market cap on, you know, for a micro cap or a small cap or even a mid cap is way smaller than the market cap of Bitcoin. So because of that, you know, the altcoin can do a 3, 5, 10x much faster. So while Bitcoin's doing its thing, I'm going to be in smaller cap coins, making some really nice gains. And all this is prior to 2025. Then once 2025 happens, watch out. Watch out. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.